Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x Learning. Today, let's see range check in data validation. Okay, so range check is also an important topic in the data validation because it involves verifying that a data value falls within the permissible range. Okay, like for example, if you are analyzing a survey of people's ages, okay, you would expect the age field to be within a reasonable range, right? Like say it could be between 1 to 120, right? The age of a person cannot be like 250. Okay, so any age outside this range, like in between like 1 to 120, can be flagged off, or it can be considered as a invalid, or we can send it for a data analysis or for other interrogative purposes. Okay, so this is called range check. Okay, so let's look into an example. Okay, I will be using ChatGPT and Google Colab for Python and
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
I'll be using this, and this is our sheet. Okay, so I have a record ID and age. Just for understanding purpose, I have given only very few for 5 records. Okay, so it has, and age is here, and here there is -5. Okay, so actually there is no person with the age of -5, right? It is invalid. Okay, so when we are coding or when we are doing the data validation, it should give that this is not the right age. It should give us no. It should go, give that minus should not come. Or if we give the age of 220 or above 120, it should give the flag, right? This is an invalid age. So that is called range check. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is the file, and these are the age ranges. I'm closing it. Let's see how. And I'll be using ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll be giving prompt such that uh, I'll be attaching this sheet. Okay, so I'm attaching the sheet and I'm giving the prompt. Okay, so data sheet, attached above. It has the ages of different people. Okay, perform range check. Okay, for data validation using Python code. Okay, okay. So let's see. By the meantime, guys, one important update. Okay, as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? So AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, and all the installation steps and other AI tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program. So make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so if you go over here, 10x.in. So just hold on. It's just taking time. Yeah, you can see over here. And if you go down, you can see all the workshops, upcoming workshop. So you can use here and you can go for registration, register now. So it will give when is the next workshop date and who are the mentors and their reviews, the people reviews about this workshop and why to join this course. All these details are there. Okay, so don't miss it. Okay, guys. Okay, now let's go over here. So it has given the data sheet contained 2 columns, record ID and age, right? That is true. Okay, record ID and age. And to perform a range check for data validation, we need to define an acceptable age range. That's what it is telling, right? 0 to 120 years. I will check each age in the data to see if it falls within this range. Ages outside this ranges will be flagged. Okay, so whatever I said, it is also taking. So these are the, so it has given, this is false. Okay, -5 is not considered, right? So in the sample, you can see that the most ages are valid except the third record, which is the age of -5 falling outside. So it is giving us false. Okay. So let's ask the Python code. See what it is giving. It is giving the import pandas on the. So it is giving minimum age is 0, maximum age is 120, and it is giving the function. The code reads the data from an Excel field, applies the range check to each age in the age column, and adds a new column, valid age, to indicate whether each age is valid or not. Okay, make sure to replace. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm copying this code. I'll be going here and I'm pasting it here, and I'm copying this content. This is because this is the path. It depends on person to person, like where you have stored it. Not to worry about that. And range, and what is be the okay. So this is the code. It is importing the panda. So all the code has given. We have just given the prompt. It has given. So let's execute. So the same thing it has given. See, record ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same age. Okay, 18, 22, 18, 5. But here it has given false. You can import the same thing to a new Excel file also. Okay, or for understanding purpose, you can keep it. For that, you need to give a different prompt. Okay, when I'm giving here, give the Python code for the above and write it into a new output file, means it will give that thing. Okay, or you can ask in the next step, give me the means that valid age to this should go into a new file. It will give. Okay, so that's your homework. You can and try it. So this is the way, guys. So a range check now you come across, right? What is a range check? It can be for the ages, and it can be for many things like temperature, right? It cannot be like some temperature, like a human temperature, body temperatures, that can be there. Like many measuring units, right? It can be that. Remember, like height also, a person cannot be 120 feet height, right? At the max, 8 feet, 9 feet, or 10 feet at the max, right? So that also it can be applicable. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.